Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your big eyes on CapCut apps. Now, let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. And after this, in here, you just click on the clip. And then in here, you can swipe until you can see and change. This one, click on it. And after this, in here, you just click on the face. Okay, and in here, you just click on the big eyes. And then in here, you can swipe this icon to left or right for adjust your eyes. This is the before, this is the after, before, after, before, after. Okay. And after this, in here, you just click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to edit your eyes on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.